What's the meaning of Avebury? Avebury. Avebury.
Avebury. Avebury. Avebury is a small village located in England, famous for its prehistoric stone circle and henge monument. The Avebury monument was built around 4,500 years ago, and it is one of the largest and best preserved examples of its kind in Europe. It consists of a huge circular bank and ditch, with a large outer ring of standing stones and two smaller inner rings. The purpose of the monument is still a matter of debate, with some suggesting that it was used as a ceremonial site or a place of worship, while others proposed that it served as an astronomical observatory or a symbol of power and authority.